Number 29. The diagram shows a sperm cell. Which part contains enzymes that digest the jelly coat of an egg cell? So, you're looking at sperm cell. The sperm cell consists of three parts: head, midpiece, and the tail. Okay, so within the head, there are two main parts called acrosome and the nucleus. It's this acrosome that contains many hydrolytic enzymes, or you could just call it digestive enzyme, that dissolves the jelly coat of an egg when it makes a contact. With the egg. So the enzymes inside the acrosome, they dissolve this the jelly coat, and then they insert the nucleus into the egg, and that process is called fertilization. So for this question, the answer should be D.